un pasito pa'lante Maria.
Alright, hello and a pleasant evening to everyone. Mabuhay!
Dos, tres, un pasito para atrás.
And welcome here to the beautiful place of New Blossom Traveler House Hotel, Conventional and Events Place here at Daraga, Albay.
Dos, tres, un pasito para atrás.
Tonight, we are gathered for the wedding reception of our dearest Chu and Charlie. By the way, the guy who's in front of you, ang isa sa pinagkakatiwalaang host at isa sa mga vlogger na nagpapasaya sa puso ng sambayanan. Yes, ako nga po yun. I am Mr. Joey M. Lufrin, the one and only ang Joey-licious ng Pilar Sorsogon. And I will be your host for this incredible celebration. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Ayan. So, before anything else, we thank you all for gracing this occasion, especially to those who took a leave of absence from their work, and to those who traveled miles just to be with us today. In behalf of our newlywed, Chu and Charlie, and to their proud family and parents, I would like to express heartfelt gratitude sa inyong lahat dahil ang inyong suporta at oras na pagpunta dito ay talaga namang sumisimbolo ng pagmamahal sa ating bagong kinasal.